Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that is, and I'm not exaggerating, a total game changer for creators. If you've ever wanted to make professional level AI videos but got scared off by those high subscription costs, then you are in exactly the right place.
You've seen those incredible AI videos popping up everywhere, right? The ones from huge, powerful tools like Google's VEO3. The only problem? Getting access usually means paying a steep monthly fee or dealing with these super confusing credit systems. But what if I told you there's a way around all of that?
Well, get this, the method we're going to walk through today is not just powerful and mobile friendly, it is 100% free. Seriously, no catches, no hidden fees. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the big problem that so many of us creators face. Up until now, getting your hands on high-end AI video tools has basically been a question of how deep your pockets are. And this slide really spells it out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the typical deal: subscriptions, weird credit systems, and the worst part, a big, ugly watermark on your video unless you pay up. But what we're talking about today, it's the complete opposite. Absolutely free, no credits to worry about, and you get clean, beautiful, watermark-free videos from the get-go. It's awesome. So, what's the secret sauce here? What is this magic tool? Well, it's a platform called Opal AI, and it does something pretty brilliant. It gives us a backdoor, direct access to Google's super powerful video models without asking for a single penny. So here are the key details you need to know. The tool is Opal AI, and it works right in your web browser, which is great, on both your computer and your phone. Now pay attention to this because it's a huge pro tip. If you're on your phone, you have to switch your browser to desktop site mode. Trust me, it makes the whole experience way better. Oh, and for a lot of people, like our viewers in India, you don't even need a VPN to get in. Seriously, getting started couldn't be easier. You just go to the website, sign in with any old Google account you have lying around, and then boom, click that Create New button. That's it. You're in. All right, let's get our hands dirty. We're going to start with the basics, making a video from just a simple text prompt. This is the best way to get a feel for the tool and just see how powerful this thing really is. But before we hit go, what are we actually working with under the hood? We are tapping directly into the VEO 3.1 model. You guys, this is Google's top-of-the-line AI for video. The fact that we can use this for free is, well, it's kind of the whole reason this is so amazing. Okay, so here's something I know you're all wondering about. How do you make those vertical videos for YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Reels? Well, guess what? This tool has a super simple built-in way to do just that. And this breaks it down perfectly. First, you hit Generate, and just double-check that VEO 3.1 is selected. Then you're going to open up the advanced settings. Now, here's the most important part. You have to set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's your vertical video format right there. After that, just type in whatever you want to see, hop over to the Preview tab, and click Start. It's really that easy. All right, let's talk about a little glitch you might run into. It's pretty common, so you've put in a new prompt, but wait. The preview is still showing your last video. What's going on? First off, don't panic. The fix for this is so easy. Just look for the Restart app icon. It usually looks like a little circular arrow. Give that a click. It just clears everything out and gets you a fresh start for your next video. Okay, so you've got the text-to-video thing down. You're a pro. Now let's level up and get into the really cool stuff, the advanced technique of bringing your own images to life. Okay, this next part involves something called connecting nodes. I know, that sounds super technical and maybe a little intimidating, but I promise you it's way easier than it sounds. It's literally just a simple click and drag. So let's walk through this together. You're going to add a user input node, then go into its settings and change the input type to image. Now for the magic step. You literally just click on the little circle on the input node and drag a line over to the circle on the generate node. That's it. You've connected them. Restart the app real quick, upload your picture, and then type a prompt describing how you want it to move. Now, heads up. Sometimes that little connection line might just vanish when you change a setting. Again, do not worry about it. It happens. Just like the source material says, all you have to do is reconnect the nodes and hit that restart button again. It's a simple little fix for a common little bug. All right, let's get real for a second and talk about the practical side of things. We'll cover the limits and some pro tips to help you get the most out of this thing. Because, while it's free, it's not totally without a few rules. So what's the catch? What's the daily limit? Well, it looks like you can create about 10 to 12 videos every single day using one Google account. Now, I know that's not technically unlimited,
But come on, for a free tool this powerful, that is an incredibly generous number.
And this slide, you guys, is pure gold. Listen up. Pro tip number 1, if you need more than 12 videos, just use more Gmail accounts. It's that simple. If you have 5 accounts, you could be pumping out around 50 videos a day. That's insane. Pro tip number 2, get in the habit of hitting restart app between every single creation. It just keeps things running smoothly. And of course, let's say it one more time for the people in the back, 0 watermarks. So this really leaves us with a huge question, doesn't it? When tools that are this professional, this powerful, become totally free and available to literally anyone with an internet connection, does that change the game entirely? Does it fundamentally change who gets to be a creator and who doesn't?